Cricket Wireless provides flexible data management options for different usage needs. Whether you need occasional extra data or a comprehensive unlimited plan, Cricket has solutions to fit your requirements. For users on limited data plans, Cricket offers a convenient 1 gigabyte high-speed data add-on for $10. This can be added through the MyCricket app or your online account whenever you need extra data. Cricket updated their plan lineup in September 2025 with more competitive options. The plans range from the budget-friendly Sensible plan with 10 gigabytes for $30 per month to unlimited options starting at $35 for new customers. The four main plan options each serve different needs. The Sensible plan offers 10 gigabytes for $30 with autopay. The Select Unlimited plan is $35 for new lines only. For Hotspot users, the Smart Unlimited plan includes 15 gigabytes of hotspot data for $45, while the Supreme plan provides 50 gigabytes of hotspot data for $55. Remember that the 1 gigabyte add-on is only available for limited data plans, and unused data doesn't carry over to the next billing cycle. For consistent heavy data usage, upgrading to an unlimited plan with included hotspot data is typically more cost-effective than repeatedly purchasing add-ons. Mobile Hotspot allows you to share your Cricket Wireless data connection with other devices like laptops, tablets, and other phones. Your phone essentially becomes a Wi-Fi router. Cricket's unlimited plans include specific amounts of high-speed hotspot data. The Smart Unlimited plan includes 15 gigabytes of hotspot data, while the Supreme Unlimited plan provides 50 gigabytes. Once you exceed your hotspot data limit, your speeds will be significantly reduced to just 128 kilobits per second. This is much slower than normal high-speed data and will make activities like streaming video nearly impossible. You can manage your hotspot settings to optimize usage and security. This includes setting up password protection to prevent unauthorized access and configuring automatic shutdown times to conserve data. Monitor your hotspot data usage through the MyCricket app or your online account to avoid unexpected slowdowns. Regular monitoring helps you stay within your limits and plan accordingly. If you consistently need more hotspot data, consider upgrading to a higher plan or exploring Cricket's Simply Data plans. These data-only plans range from 20 gigabytes to 150 gigabytes and include 5G access with compatible devices.